Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Iesti Cahyanti from Business Study Education Program, the Faculty of Economics, State University of Jakarta. I would like to thank you for coming my presentation, especially to my Honorable Coordinator Business Study Education Program, Mrs. Rina Parlina, M.B.A., my first supervisor, Mrs. Dr. Corry Yohana, M.M., and my second supervisor, Mrs. Nadya Fadillah, S.Pd, M.Pd. My examiner who will examine my presentation seminar today as Chief Examiner, Mr. Dr. Nurdin Hidayat, M.M. M.Si, Expert Examiner, Mrs. Dr. Dince Grindiandini, M.Pd, and Secretary, Mrs. Teriliana Arvinta Manoharva, S.A.M.M. Thank you very much for taking the time to be my examiner today, June 9, 2020. Today, I will present a research proposal with title The Influence of Service Quality and Physical Environment and Customer Satisfaction of McDonald's SALEMBA RAYA in Jakarta student. There are three things that I will present. First, introduction includes reason for choosing the title and background of the study. Second, the literature review, which includes discussion of relevant theories and research. Third, the research methodology, which includes research instrument, research to be carried out, namely data collection technique and place, and also population and risk sample for this study. Let's continue to the first discussion. In research background, I would like to find out the influence of service quality, physical environment throughout the customer satisfaction. I chose the fast food restaurant because it is one of the most popular culinary. This type of food does not need to be processed long cooking. Fast food restaurant that was studied, McDonald's. McDonald's restaurant is one of the three top brand restaurants. Before I go on with this research, I conducted an initial survey about customer satisfaction factor. The result of the survey: dirty room 36.5%, and noise music atmosphere 57.7%, low light 69.2%, and the service it take long time is 78.8%. Employees are not polling 11.5%, and unfriendly employees is 34.6%. Customers say the quality of McDonald's SALEMBA RAYA service is not good because there is one factor: the service is take a long time with presentasi of 78.8%. Next, the physical environment factor at McDonald's SALEMBA RAYA is less comfortable because of one of the low light factor with a percentage 69.2%. For this research, I quote some of literature review from my research. The sporting concept about customer satisfaction, I took the word from Philip Carter, and he said satisfaction is a person feeling product perceived performance or outcome in relation to person expectation. In the indicator of customer satisfaction, such as 1. Satisfaction toward the restaurant, 2. the customer feelings. 3. Interesting experience. The sporting concept about service quality, I took the word from Zetmal et al. And he cited the extent discrepancy between customer expectation or discern and their perception, and the dimension of service quality such as 1. Tangible, 2. Reliability, 3. Responsive, 4. Assurance, 5. Empathy. The sporting concept about physical environment, I state the word from Bittner as a physical environment which includes service in an interior facility or facilities on the exterior. And the dimension of physical environment such as 1. Ambient condition, 2. Space or function, 3. Scenes, symbol, and artifact. After canoeing the queue of literature review from many research, I have found some relevant research, such as 1. Yohana with title Testing the Effect of Food Quality, Freshness, and Physical Environment on Customer Satisfaction in Fast Food. According to two relevant research, the theoretical framework of this research is physical environment, a positive and significant influence on customer satisfaction. 2. Dwight Nidal Yosef, Khalili Saja Aziz, Hasis Sama Muhammad, Mahmud Hala Sulaiman, with title Customer Satisfaction Impact on Behavior Attention, the case of pizza restaurant in Nablus City. According to two relevant research, the theoretical framework of this research is there is positive and significant influence of the service quality and physical environment on customer satisfaction. 3. Christomanda, Sareang David, Borang Frederick, with title The Influence of Price, Service Quality, and Physical Environment on Customer Satisfaction, Case Study Marcobar Cafe Manado. According to two relevant research, the theoretical framework of this research is there is a significant influence of the service quality and environment on customer satisfaction. Well, the last thing that I want to present is the research methodology. The research will be conducted in Jakarta area. The population is all students in Jakarta. The sample of this research are 150 respondents, students who visit and purchase product at McDonald's SALEMBA RAYA restaurant with a minimum scale of 33 months. The research used primary data by collecting the answer of the questionnaire with Likert scale model. And the data analysis technique that used in this research is multiple linear regression. And the sampling technique that used in this research is purpose sampling technique. That all for my presentation today. Thank you